Hey YouTube, welcome back. As you can see, we're gonna start the video by doing this review about this quadcopter. So this is the Promark VR. So on the previous video that I did unbox, and I opened up the battery door, and I told you guys. At first, I thought the battery was soldered in, but unfortunately, it did not. So I was just examining, and then this charging cable was tucked under. So yeah, it does come with a connector that you need to connect this in order to charge the battery. And I read the manual. There is a black and red wire that is supposed to connect together. So I see it now. So it's kind of inside there. Let me try to get it out. So it's kind of inconvenient. You need to I'm not sure if that's for a safety feature or what. Hold on. I use my pinky to get the connector out. It's right there. So you're supposed to connect this red wire with the red wire and the black wire with the black wire. Damn, man, it's so hard to connect together. So the instruction says charge the drone battery up to 5 hours. Red light will turn on when fully charged. So there's a LED light right there which it will lit up. And then open the battery compartment and slide battery in. Plug 3 color battery cable into port, which is this. You got your black, red, and then purplish. No need to remove battery when charging. And then you need to connect black and red power cable to each other. So I guess you charge the battery first, and after it's fully charged, then you connect the black and red wire together. And then after that, you connect the... What the hell are they talking about? So no, you gotta connect everything before you plug into the USB power cord to the drone, and then to the power source to charge it. So let's go ahead and do this then. So the battery, the wire is so short, so there you go. Then you push in. You plug this in. You gotta be careful because this there's a circuit board down there. It's kind of fragile. When you push down too hard, it's like bending it down. So you don't want to break it. So let's move to the station where the plug's at. It's kind of dark over there. I'm gonna move it over here then. So I'm gonna show this port right there. I got my USB adapter right there with the charging cable that come with the USB brick does not come with the drone, so you gotta have your own. And then you just plug this one in. So I'm gonna let it charge for 5 hours. I don't know why it shows the red light. It says when it shows red light, that means fully charged, but I don't think that's correct. So anyway, I'm gonna leave it on for 5 hours to let it fully charge. And then after that, I would do the full review in depth about this quadcopter. All right, guys? So stay tuned for the next video. YouTube. So after you finish charging the drone, that red LED light on the power button will disappear. That means your drone is fully charged. All right, guys.